Let me update y'all on this garden real quick, show y'all everything that's been going on. These collard greens finna give me hundreds to thousands of seeds. Every pod is holding a number of seeds. What? I can't wait for that. Got the potatoes going. I gotta heal them boys some more, put some more dirt over them. We got the rosemary, the grapes. Some came through and ate my grape leaves up, man. But I fertilized them, they still straight. We got the blueberries. We got sunflowers. This pepper ain't looking too good. This is a ghost pepper, but it's about out of there. This plebano. That's another one. And the same thing that ate on my grape leaves came and ate on my tomato. But I fertilized her some too, so she's still kicking. She kicked out some more leaves. All of these leaves is a little newer. So they ain't do nothing but top it off for me. We got the onions going insane. This lettuce bed coming together crazy. You see all them colors coming through there? What? I don't know if I should go through, clean it up, or if I should just let them do their thing. But next to this collard greens, we got some more onions, some garlic, and we got some arugula, little stuff in there. And we got some other of our herbs in the herb coming through. You can see some sage coming through. That look like some basil. What that look like? This whole bed finna be just herbs. Everything's starting to pop out, show out. We got some loofah. We got some Spanish habanero. There's a bell pepper. And we got some seeds, some pepper seeds growing in these 3 pots. So they ain't popped out yet, but they coming. We got a habanero. There's a loofah. This boy going out. It's down out. We're gonna have to put something else in there. We got onion going crazy. We got some garlic in here. You see they starting to shoot out. We got some more garlic. We got some more potatoes. I gotta fill this bag up some more. Finish healing them boys. And sage, you know that she going crazy. You know she going crazy. She trying to flower. We ain't going. This garlic, we still waiting on her to shoot up. That grape, another grape tree, great Concord bush or vine, whatever you call it. She's starting to show some life. Look at that mullet. Look at that mullet, boy. We got some black beans. We got some strawberries. Some pinto beans. We got some mint. Look at that mint. That mint going insane, boy. We got a habanero pepper. And then we still got a bunch of seedlings in there. We got sage going crazy. We got a bunch of bell peppers. I gotta take them out. And more bell peppers. What's this? What's crazy? My compost is growing stuff, bro. This junk crazy to see. Like, I be wanting to pull them out, but it's like, do you leave it? Do you pull it out? What you do? Like, bro, all this growing in the compost. I want to pull them out and start plants. But then we got another ghost pepper. We got some more potatoes. We got a habanero pepper. And then we got 3 bell peppers in here, and we're gonna see which one the strongest, which one lasts the longest, and we're gonna pull the others. But yeah, it's starting to go crazy over here. This garden's starting to pick up. It's been raining like crazy. So growth finna shoot.